USD 5-minute time frame. The name of this indicator is Algo V1 2025. Buy here. Book your profit. Sell here. Book your profit. Again, sell. Book profit. Buy here. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Buy here. Book your profit. Sell signals here. Book your profit. Buy here. Book your profit. Sell here. Buy signal. And look amazing profit. Sell signal. And again, sell signal. Another amazing profit. Buy here. Again, buy here. Market sidewise, book your profit here. Buy here. Book your profit. Second profit done. Buy here. Sell here. Again, sell. Market down and again retest support level. Book your profit. Sell signal. Book your profit. Buy here. Market touch support level. Close your trade. Buy signal here. Market touch support level. Close your position. Sell here. Book your profit. And recently buy signal. And look at that. This indicator not free. Can you get this indicator? Please contact us WhatsApp. Thanks.